Hi, I'm Marilyn San Clemente of Stamp with Marilyn, and today I'm going to show you the Artfully Composed suite that's in the new January to June mini catalog. So let's get started. It's it's got some very vibrant papers with it. It's got Calypso Coral, the Succulents, Just Jade, Old Olive, a little bit of Pear Pizzazz, some Evening Evergreen, and some vibrant, very vibrant patterns. And then here's the back side, Calypso Coral, Pale Papaya, Pear Pizzazz, the Evening Evergreen, and the Just Jade. And here are the stamps. You've got this very large leaf that you can color in, or you can stamp out. You've got this other leaf. You've got these little tiny leaves, and then lots of sentiments with this. And I like the print on this sentiment, the font on this sentiment. It's a little bit different than other things that we have had before. And of course, it has dies with it. Oops. Has this really cool border die. Has this neat background die as well. And then this cuts out your stamped image, and this one cuts out your stamped image. And then it has these other 3 leaves that you can also cut out, but they're not stamped. They're just images that you would cut. And so let me show you. And I forgot to mention, it comes with this really pretty wide off-white ribbon. And it's got a shimmer to it. And then it also has these little things of pebbles, which are sea glass, faux sea glass shapes. And they're just really cute. Perfect for a beach piece. And it also has a set of vellum with 3 different designs. And the designs are printed in both black and a white. So it's got a map, has a newspaper type print, and then this one, which is also kind of a newspaper print or a handwriting print. And each design is in the black on the vellum and then white on the vellum as well. So it's a very, very faint design on the white. And here's a couple of cards that I've made with it. This one is the bookbinding card, and on this one I used the vellum with the newsprint, and I cut out a few of the leaves, and then I had some of the other leaves down on the bottom. And here's another one that I used with the newspaper type background. In this leaf I stamped and then colored and cut out, and I took the thank you and I kind of fussy cut around it, so I made like a silhouette, and then I used the little pebbles over here, and then on the inside I used that really cool border. I guess it's a zigzag border, and I added another leaf to that. On this one I used the leaves that are just cut, that you don't stamp, but you can just cut, and they match kind of the leaves in the paper. And then I used that map as the background, and I used that zigzag border, and I did all that on black, and then added the little leaves on the inside with the thank you. And I have one more, and this is the white vellum. This is the vellum. You can kind of see the embossed image there on that. And again, I used a stamp leaf that I colored, and then some of the other leaves that match this paper, and then the pebbles. And I put the happiest birthday wishes on the inside. So those are a few of the cards. So this is a really cool set. I think this would be a great set for scrapbooking. If you're someone that likes to visit the beach a lot or tropical locations, it would be great if you're taking a trip to Hawaii or Aruba and you want to scrapbook that trip. I just think this paper would be great. So thank you for stopping by and checking it out. Take care.